Hi, welcome to the MACS Quick Tip. MACS, the world leading resource and voice for sustainable mobile AC and thermal management, driving innovation and best practices across the globe, automotive and off-highway service sectors. I'm G. Trulia, your presenter. Did you know the importance of checking service information first? You know, God gave you a brain, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your hands. You got to use them, because if you don't use them, you may have a problem. Look for TSBs, technical service bulletins, that provide answers for a good direction. Like here on the Silverado, tells you to use a scan tool for the HVAC control module. If you didn't do that, here from Stellantis is a problem. Air conditioner not blowing, inoperative. May have a compressor failure. TSBs are the way to go. This has been a MACS Quick Tip. Don't forget to get your 609 at MACS Online or at Proctor-led, leader-led MACS courses. Thank you for attending. I'm G. Trulia.